Okay, we're back. So basically, we left off talking about hemoglobin, and hemoglobin is basically made out of like a thing that's found in red blood cells, and it's also a protein. So there's a protein inside, and then inside the protein there's iron, which is aka a hem group, and then the iron can bond with an oxygen. So basically, when the iron that bonds with the oxygen is then able to carry a lot more oxygen molecules, meaning more oxygen molecules throughout the body. And oh yeah, the hem group iron is also composed of 4 protein units. Also, it's a good thing that our hemoglobin contains iron and not carbon monoxide, because if it did, then it has a much easier time to bind with oxygen than iron, so it'll just easily take over that, and then it's very poisonous, so then it could just spread around like our body, like all the poison stuff. So then carbon monoxide is bad because it has an easier time binding with iron than with oxygen, meaning it can replace the oxygen, so no oxygen throughout our body. But either way, it's still bad because so basically it's a good thing we don't have carbon monoxide, because then it has an easier time binding with iron than oxygen, meaning it replaces oxygen, so no oxygen throughout our body. And a little summary recap as well. Hemoglobin is inside as a protein, and inside there's iron, aka hem group, which is composed of 4 protein units, and then the iron then binds with the oxygen, and it makes it be able to carry more oxygen throughout the body. So more oxygen is in our body. So And then finally we have leukocytes. So leukocytes are white blood cells. So basically, it's like I said before, it basically just fights the infection that's inside our body. So if we're sick or we have a cold or we have a virus, then there'll be more white blood cells activated in order to push and beat them against. So its structure is related to our function, because there are some white blood cells that are bigger and more flexible than others due to different types of roles, aka specialization. So there's some white blood cells. So basically, the white blood cells vary in sizes because for better more roles and jobs. So that's everything. If you have any questions, comment down below, and I'll be sure to answer them. But in the meanwhile, peace.